In this video, we will look at solving the egg hunt questions from the Magnet Virtual Summit 2022 Capture the Flag contest. Please help me out by hitting the subscribe button and tell me this is love. The egg hunt series of questions are all about decoding messages. One of the best sources of information is the website decode.fr. Especially useful is the cipher identifier, which will help you narrow down the gazillions of different ciphers. Question 1. Boxed crazy bread. We are asked about the flag in this long message. What I'm going to do is copy and paste this encoded message into decode.fr cipher identifier, and then give it the clue of boxed crazy bread. And then we'll ask it to automatically decode. And then looking down the list of possible ciphers, the Caesar box cipher stands out, especially since the clue is crazy bread, which is from Little Caesar's chain.
Pizza, pizza.
We're going to go ahead and choose the Caesar box cipher, and then plug in the encoded message, and then ask for the auto decode. And the first response is, congratulations, you found the egg. The flag is among you 5, or among us in Leet speak. Question 2. More bits, please. So the encoded message is all numbers, and we are given the keyword magnet VUS to assist in the decode. And so if I plug this into the cipher identifier and give it the clues of more bits, please, the first cipher that decode comes back with is the more bit cipher. And that kind of makes sense considering the title of the question. And so once we plug in the keyword of magnet VUS, we get the answer. Congratulations, you found the egg. The flag is WH3AT5. Question 3. Skip to my loo. This is a short encoded message of just 1A3HCCN. And so if I plug this in the decode, we see that one of the suggestions is called the skip cipher, which seems appropriate enough given the title of Skip to My Loo. So I'm going to go ahead and click into the skip cipher and then paste in the encoded message. And the top of the automatic result is using a skip size of 3, which gives the leet speak of 1 chance. And I'm guessing that the skip size of 3 is correct, as that's the number of times the song repeats each verb of skipping and swimming and flying, etc. And fantastic, now I can't get that song out of my head. Question 4. OMG, They Killed Me. Well, we're given a file to download, and once we download it and take a look at it, it turns out to be a QR code. And if we use the website pageloot.com, there's a QR code scanner there. And then once we have it scanned the QR code, we see that the contents is just a series of words consisting of just the letters M, F, and P. And so I'm going to go ahead and plug this result back into decode, and we get a bunch of suggestions. And looking at the clue again, it brought me back to my South Park days, and then I saw the Kenny language code, which is going to decode what Kenny says. And once we do that, we get the answer of congratulations, you found the egg. The flag is giant rat.
Oh my God! They killed Kenny! You bastard!
Question 5. Look in the mirror, Neo. So this encoded message starts with a period, and then it contains a bunch of letters and numbers. And the clue is to look in the mirror. And so what I did was I used the reverse function in iCyberchef to see the sentence. And once I did that, I noticed the resulting text looks kind of like leet speak. And then I'm able to kind of make out what the resulting sentence says, which is according to all known laws of aviation. And then the flag is bacon. There is no way that a bee should be able to fly. All right, so those are my methods for solving the egg hunt portion for the 2022 Magnet CTF. For more videos on Capture the Flag walkthroughs, watch these videos here. For more videos on the Linux command line, watch these videos here. Make sure you click on the blue monkey to subscribe. Thanks for your time and happy hunting.